So you have this specific problem in your Android Auto. More exactly, when you hit play, the music right away goes to pause. You saw only 2 seconds was playing. If you have this problem, then let me show you how to resolve this and explain to you what actually happens. Yeah, so how to resolve this? First of all, go to your Bluetooth options, yeah, and where you have your specific car, if you have an Android, or you should, yeah, click here and you see here this is the audio stream. Just uh, uncheck this audio stream from a Bluetooth, and then as you can see, you will not have this problem anymore. As you can see, it goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Yeah, so no problem. Now, just to explain why this happened, this is due to the connectivity of Android Auto. So first of all, you need Bluetooth to communicate between the tablet and your phone, that these two devices are paired and ready to connect. But actually, the connection between these two is done via Wi-Fi. So it's creating just like a hotspot and a direct connection via Wi-Fi between your phone and the tablet. And this is how they communicate. And also the audio stream goes directly through this channel of communication. If you have audio also selected for Bluetooth, then for sure it will get into a conflict, and that's why the tablet doesn't know through which channel to start communication for audio. Yeah, so is either is for via Bluetooth or either is via Wi-Fi. By disconnecting Bluetooth audio, then you give complete power to the tablet to communicate via only via Wi-Fi, and this is actually better for your audio stream and for working the tablet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. And I'm really curious about your issues. Let's discuss in the comment section. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.